guys, this is Jessie from Long's Lighting. Today, I would like to introduce our LED check light, which is often used in supermarket, store, gallery, showroom, hotel, and so on. Usually, check light works with check wheel. Please have a look. The 2 wires check light match with 2 wires, 1 fixed adapter. The 3 wires check light match with 3 wires, 1 fixed adapter. The 4 wires check light works with 4 wires, 3 fixed adapter. In this recent year, there is an integrated adapter driver in the market. It's become more and more popular. Okay, now let me recommend a competitive hot seller to you. Please have a look. The body is made of die casting aluminum. Each model can be 20 watt, 30 watt, and 40 watt. There are 3 different designs of this model. The top box. The top box design, the driver is in this practice box. The integrated adapter driver design is the driver, at the same time is the adapter. The signboard's design. The driver is in this aluminum box. For the driver, it will based on your requirement. Most of clients will choose KGP, Leadfoot, Philips, Osram, and so on. Also, the COB brand you can choose Citizen, Crave, Rigidus, VS, Luminous, Epista, and so on. For the optics, most of clients will choose GR reflector, which has 15 degrees, 24 degrees, 36 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. It can also use dark cool lens, which has 15 degrees, 24 degrees, and 14.6 degrees. Certainly, we can apply more flexible design and solution for your choice, with the lower price to catch your request in your mind. Thank you.